Yes, I just got a new Tesla Roadster. Not really, this is an RC. Just picked this up from Costco, doing a full unboxing and review. Stay tuned to the end. We're going to show you how we're going to drive it in the street. There's all kinds of cool stuff. This is a fantastic car. Great for kids. Charges up really well. Works fantastic. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I appreciate it as always. Let's get into the review.
Hey gang, welcome back to my channel. And yes, I had one of these Hot Wheels RC Tesla Roadster RC cars. Yes, cool. Let's take a quick look at it together. We're going to do an unboxing real quickly, and then we're going to take it out and have some fun with it. Love RCs. RCs are great. Love the drones, and I love these little cars as well. So this is an RC Roadster. This is basically a replica of the Tesla RC car. So it's around 30 miles an hour approximately. I'm sorry, 30 meters, 100 feet approximately. About 12 miles an hour or 20 kilometers. That's what it says here. It's got a suspension. It has headlights, USB charging for the device, for the car itself, and 1300 milliamp battery in the car. That's what's in here. So your car you have to charge, and the remote control you use AA batteries for. So that's pretty much simple enough. Okay, guys, open up the box, and the first thing you see basically is packaging just like this here. So it's packaged quite nicely in a little cocoon with these two little plastic pieces, molded pieces that actually hold the car in place. Over here is a couple of instructions that nobody really reads because you just charge it and play with it. So that's simple enough. You don't have to worry about that. So this is the car. What it looks like. Let's take it out of the packaging and take a good close-up look at the vehicle itself. Okay, guys, so after looking at the vehicle, I took it out of the box. So two things I'm a little disappointed in, just to be upfront. And you just have to be aware of it. When you get the vehicle, most of the time they will include batteries. They did not. So two AA batteries that you have to buy and you have to put in the remote. There is a little screw in the bottom here, and they did not supply a screwdriver. So those are my two pet peeves. You know, when you're selling something, you should really kind of give the complete picture and see how it works. And it's not very clear how to charge the vehicle. So look in the bottom here, and it looks like a battery compartment. Again, didn't supply a screwdriver. So I have one here. Let's open this up together. What you have to do, just to be aware, so you have to know that there's a USB-C cable, a USB cable in the bottom, not USB-C, a USB cable, and it looks like it's just the old connection, probably the slow charge, unfortunately. And this is what's connected to the car, and then the battery must be inside the vehicle itself. So that's just one thing they didn't include. I was a little disappointed about that. Just to make it easy, you know, for kids to, you know, get into the car and get it going, but you need to have a battery. That means you have to have an adult, and you have to find someone who can open it up for you and things like that. So that's the only bummer that I see so far. And just to install the batteries, all you have to do is take off, again, need a screwdriver, take off the back, two AA batteries. One goes in one way, one goes in the other way, and then you just screw the cover back on, just like that there. So, I mean, not that it's difficult, but they should have supplied the screwdriver. This is my opinion. All right, let's turn this back on real quick. All right, turn this on. We have power. And yes, so now it is synced, so now it's not flashing anymore. So let me show you one more time. These are the headlights here. You can see really cool headlights, Tesla in the back, super sharp. I love that. That looks great. So the headlights are awesome, and they give off a little bit of light. You can see here. You can see my hand actually. So that's pretty cool. I like that. And let's response real quick. So we have TL and TL. Whoa! Slow down there, Lucy. Hold on there. Shake it off on me. Wheels turn. Cool. So TL and TR. So we'll have to see what that means in a minute. All right, cool. Suspension. Here's the suspension. Let's take a look at that real quick together. You can see that it's got suspension. It's got actually like I run flat tires on it, which is cool. They feel like there's a little air in there, but there's no air in there. But it feels like that. It's branded Mattel, Tesla Roadster. Has the model number and everything on the back here. This is the back underneath the car, and this the whole look is just super cool. It's got a great look. I love this whole top of it. Looks awesome. Here's the back of it here. So this is to adjust the steering. Turn left, turn right. Oh, I should have figured that out myself. So you can actually adjust it so if it's not going actually perfectly straight, you can actually tweak it, and you can just twist it, and you can see the wheels will adjust automatically when you're driving the car. So this thing wants to crank. This thing is, it's no joke. This thing is flying. All right, let's go take it out, drive it around a little bit. I'm gonna drive it at nighttime. I got a little area here that's dark. Let's see how it looks at night. All right, there you go in the nighttime. That's just really kind of cool. It's got the lights going on. You can see the headlights. So you can see even at night, you can even drive this thing at night. Kids will have a lot of fun with this thing. Let's do some. Whoa! When you plug it in the Tesla, you plug it into a standard charger, and then you're gonna get a red light here. And that's how you know it's charging, just like that. So I'll just leave it like this for a few hours. We'll see how long it takes to charge. And just so you know, when it's charged, it does turn green. So you get total feedback. So green's charge, red it means it's charging. When it's green, it's fully charged. Now we can put everything all back together and take it outside. Let's do it. We back it out slowly. Return. And let's go around here. This thing flies. It was awesome. This thing moves, man. This thing flies. Wow. This thing is a blast. The kids are gonna have a lot of fun with this thing. Adults will have a lot of fun with this thing. It's cool. This thing really works well. I am shocked how good this works. This thing cranks along. You can see it moving really good. Wow. Let's see if I'm gonna go by the camera here. This thing has a lot of power. This thing is awesome.
All right, guys, just gonna wrap up this review. Hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna see some photos at the end, some really cool shots I got set up in my driveway. You can see those shots at the end of this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It means a lot to me. I really do appreciate that. Also, there'll be a super thanks. Also, if you're interested in supporting my channel, there's a link below here. Just hit that super thanks. Anything I do raise within my channel does go back into my channel to purchase more items, and that's what that is for. I really do appreciate that. So definitely stay tuned for more. If you want to see more RC stuff, leave some comments down below. Let me know as well. And also there'll be I believe a link down below as well. And also on top of the top right of your screen, there's also be a link for this item as well online, right up there. So that's where it is. So stay tuned to the end of this video. See a couple really cool shots I got with my phone. Awesome, awesome. I appreciate it as always. And I'll see you at the next review. Here's one shot. Isn't that kind of cool? I love the way this looks. There's two more shots at the end. Stay tuned. You're going to love these things. These are fantastic. I'll see you at the next review, guys.